Hello sales team. Today I'm going to introduce you to a new software Caleffi is using to archive and share photos with our network of reps and partners. Brandfolder is a website that allows you to easily search, share, and download digital assets. Assets like high-resolution catalog images, installation photos, case studies, logos, etc. In the next 5 minutes, I'll show you how to log in and navigate the system. To start, you'll receive an email inviting you to our Brandfolder. The URL will be this one right here, brandfolder.com/caleffi/reps-external. You don't need to remember that. That'll be in the email invite. And it's not open to competitors or the general public, so you need to have your email and then you'll create a password to log in. We'll be able to set up anyone with an email address in your domain to be allowed in, which is a technical way of saying if someone new starts at Dan Davis Sales next month and their email address ends with @dandavissales.com, they'll be allowed to create an account too. So I'll switch over to what we'll see. This is the Caleffi version of the Brandfolder, and I'll walk you through it. So we've shared catalog images and photos that we have kind of the clearest permissions to use if they're from the field. So not all the photos we've ever received, but the ones that we've been given permission by the contractors to use for marketing materials and training and things like that. And the library will grow as we get more photos from installs with the proper permissions and things. So the easiest way to navigate the system is to search for, maybe it's the name of the product. We tag these in a few different ways. So if you search SEP4, I'm going to pull up pictures of the SEP4 product. It could be a catalog image. It could be something that we mocked up in the lab. It could be an installation out in the field somewhere. You can also search by the part number. So usually the first 3 from the catalog is going to give you a bunch of different results. Again, a mix of catalog and installation photos. Could even be something broad like plumbing. So if I search for that category, it's going to show a bunch of different photos across a few different categories like the plumb vent, anything that we tag as a plumbing product. Or you may say, I'm looking for a specific project. This is going to pull up installation photos from this MASH-P case study, and then it also has the case study down at the bottom here that you can download that PDF. So additional resources that would be tagged with that project name. So if you want to navigate it a little differently, if you want to just scroll through all of the photos that we have, you can click on photos, or you can click on videos up here in the sections. And this will take you usually externally to the YouTube playlist. It just links to something that's outside of the Brandfolder, so we don't have to store all the videos here as well. It's not a double archive. And since you are in the rep portal, you'll also see the archive of all these rep-to-rep trainings that we did in the first part of 2021. So those are there too, even though they're not available for public consumption. Okay, then there are examples of some ads. So this might be something that we published in a magazine. This was in PHCP Pros of the different products. This could be something that you forward along or use, or you could even print if you wanted to, of these different kind of generic product ads. Documents are going to be the catalogs in this case. So we've got the most current catalog and the price list in an Excel format, all the logos, and even case studies and things. So let's say that you want to download a specific asset. Now that you've kind of searched around, you say, okay, I need to get the Caleffi logo and I want to put that somewhere. I want to have it for our website, for our line card, whatever that may be. So you've got a couple options. You can just hit the download button. You can hit the share button, which would give you a link to copy that would go right to that file. So if you wanted to share this with somebody else and you didn't want to download and attach a really big file, you could just copy that link and whoever you share that with would be able to download it. Or if you want to do something more specific with this file, click on options and you can say I want a JPEG or a PNG. You can specify the size. So this logo, for example, is very big. You may download it as a medium or large, or you can even go into export options and say, hey, I'm looking for a social media sized for Twitter, and I want it to be the header photo, and it will give you those different crops that it keeps track of automatically. So if there's a very specific size you're looking for social media, it knows all those and it's updated to have that sizing all the time. So I'll go back to this and just hit download, and then that's going to download a PNG right there that I can use for anything else. So that's the main navigation of this system. It's pretty easy to find things. If you ever get stuck, you can email. I put both my contact information here and Paul Watson at Caleffi, and we can help you out if there's something that you're looking for. Also, if you have a photo that you'd like to send us, we can send you, either Paul or I can send you an upload link. So you'll be able to take it from your phone, send it to us, we'll tag it properly and get it organized for your peers to see. So thank you, enjoy Brandfolder, and let us know if you need anything else.